Hey people, hope you all are doing good. Welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download apps on Android. So you can download apps in two ways. First of all, go for your Play Store app and search for your app from here. If I go for Twitter, you can see and I can install it from here. Another way, just go for your Chrome browser, search for here also Twitter, then go for their website and you can see there is install option here. Tap on install and you can see installing, and now this app is installing here and installed. You can see here. So yeah, that's how you can download apps on Android. Hope this video helped you guys. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.